My name is Parker Brown, and I'm a sound recordist and a drone pilot. Flying drones in remote locations is a blessing and a curse. On the one hand, they're beautiful, beautiful locations. They're stunning places. You typically don't have much to worry about other than flying into things like trees and cliffs and rocks. On the other hand, you're in an incredibly remote place where if anything goes wrong, if anything breaks, if anything just doesn't hold up to the conditions, you're just out of luck. So the style of drone photography on this shoot was a bit technical. We were always trying to find neat little things we could do to surprise the viewer and show them how people looked in this landscape, because they're landscapes that you've just never seen before. So finding really interesting ways to suddenly reveal where you were, or to show a sense of scale and suddenly realize just quite how big and epic and magnificent these places were was a big challenge and a really fun and interesting thing to do. So a great thing about drones is there are just a few things that they can do that just no other camera can do, and we were able to play around with that a bit in the show, and you just achieve a shot that kind of magically goes from one thing to another. Hopefully those are a bit subliminal, like you don't even realize how tricky the shot is, but it does feel like something special. On this expedition, when someone says, "What was your favorite place?" the place that just springs to mind was Oman. There's something different about it. There's something, the canyons there were incredible. The landscape was so epic. It's just all right there in front of you, and yet you just can't comprehend. There's no sense of scale. You see things because there's nothing to block your view, and yet you have no idea how far away it is, how close it is, and everything shifts in your brain. You suddenly realize it's 10 times bigger than you thought it was. It's amazing. To have the chance to go to these incredible places all around the world that are all so uniquely, stunningly beautiful and different, and to be taken to the best of the best spots and just told, do your best to make this look incredible, that might be something I never get to do again. It's making me excited right now to think that there's episodes that I did and that I helped work on and that I helped make that are out there. And to be able to relive that experience in the comfort of my home is going to be amazing.